1 year of Python coding in 1 minute. So we'll start off with print statement. It allows you to print message in your console. Next is variables. Variables store values of different data types. Next is if statement. If statement compare two values and gives the output accordingly. Next we have for loop and while loop. Both are precondition loop and they run a set of code multiple times. Next we have function. Functions take def as a keyword and then takes arguments and returns the calculated value. Next we have data structures. Data structures contains lists, dictionaries, and also algorithms like bubble sort, which basically sorts data list from ascending order. Next we have object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming contains class, which contains further functions and initializers in it. So that was 1 year of Python programming explained in 1 minute. Subscribe for more.